Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily download and install the BeReal app on your phone. It's very easy, you just need a stable internet connection on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open Play Store, and there at the top you will see the bar where you can search for the app. Type BeReal there, that's the spelling. Click on the search icon, and there you will see the icon for the app. Click there. So if you do not know what BeReal is, it's an app that allows you to make friends from all around the world and click and share your pictures in similar ways as Instagram and Snapchat. But what makes it different from those apps is that you only have 2 minutes to click and share your pictures. So if you want to download the app, there you will see the install button. Just click there, and after some time you will have the app downloaded and installed on your phone by the Play Store. Thank you. I hope that was helpful for you.